Hi, beautiful people. Yes, so we are here again. We are here to showcase our pancake. This is our pancake. Pancake. Hey, guys, join us as we prepare this. Prepare it. You know, let me want to do with my baby. Come on, I carry share, sit down. I'm gonna see as we take do this thing. This is my banana. I have 3 banana here. This is 3 banana I cut. Ripe banana. Then we are going to crush it until you see you see that guy, you see you know the see they use all your power, your strength, oh my god. They follow me say, mommy, I want to help you, mommy, I want to help you. Today na me and you go do this pancake. So as they follow me, they drag it in. Na me want do, na me want do. Okay, na no wahala, more they do. So after doing that, then we add our egg. This is the egg. We add our egg and then we'll mix it. Mix the egg with the banana. Mix am very well. Yes. You see as the dragger. Say na you want to do, make sure say put hand. Put hand for the plate. If you not hold it, something you go hold the plate at least. And so I will do one together. Now we are going to add our flour. This is our flour. Add flour to it. And I also add baking powder, a little baking powder. And mix. At this point, here I forget to add pepper because me I like me pepper. They do my anything pancake, all those things. I dey like me pepper. The join. I know say this thing self sweet on you, so that hotness here the water for inside. But for here now, we can't forget to and later. I go remember say, we not put pepper for this thing. We go put now. Want to say we be Africa, we dey like anything when they cook, make pepper dey dey. Now yeah, I forgot remember say I not put pepper. I can't add pepper put. We can't dey miss am. We can't make sure say we miss am, make the thing blend well for inside. You see am. Then later, we gonna say yes. Now we're going to add our milk. Milk. You can also use water. Not compulsory say na milk you must put inside. You can also use water. So we're going to mix the milk, mix everything until you get to your taste. Me now make sure I like me my own day light. If you see light pass like this, so and if you see thick pass like this as you take want. But as me take want, na be this. So when we dey do this one now, our palm don dey for fire, dey hot, dey wait for us for there. We can use am. Our butter. This is the butter. It's not compulsory as so. You can also use your oil. It's not compulsory. You must use butter. Even myself, last I use oil for inside because it come like the butter self. It dey waste my time. Now I push butter go one corner and begin to use my normal oil. Groundnut oil, not palm oil. So now so we come the stuff with the do. Put spread down round. Then you leave it for some minutes to cook. Then you turn it both sides. Here now they use butter, but you know me say you must put butter, but I just feel like you don't understand. You know they do over sabino for you. Make sure say the both sides cook very well done. You see one set already. Another set done inside again, and so continue do until all of them come finish for plate. See you. We dey do this cake so now. If you see the kind noise when in my back, mommy, why this thing dey take time? Is it not ready? Because even my kitchen don dey scent for the aroma of the, oh my god. Hmm, try it. You can try. It's very easy. Easy. You can try it. You can come back here to drop your comments how it was. You see, my pancake done ready. Oh, it done ready. We don't finish. As you can see. Please don't forget to drop down your comment, like, and also share. Bye. See you in our next video. One love. Keep us together.